When homeowners consider window upgrades, the focus is often on immediate appearance or convenience. However, the real value of new windows is measured over time. Quality slider windows offer benefits that extend far beyond the initial installation, making them a smart long-term investment for homeowners in Pell City. Their durability, ease of use, and consistent performance contribute to comfort and reliability year after year. Why slider windows are built for longevity. Slider windows operate on a horizontal track, using fewer moving parts than many other window styles. This simple design reduces wear and tear over time, helping the window maintain smooth operation. For Pell City homes, quality slider windows are engineered with sturdy frames and dependable hardware that hold up well under daily use. Fewer mechanical components mean fewer opportunities for failure, supporting long-term performance. Consistent comfort over the years. Windows play a major role in indoor comfort. Poor performing windows can lead to drafts, uneven temperatures, and discomfort near window areas. Investing in quality slider windows helps Pell City homeowners maintain stable indoor conditions. Well-built frames and proper sealing limit unwanted air movement, making living spaces more comfortable season after season. Easy operation that doesn't wear out quickly. Windows that are difficult to open or close often become a daily frustration. Slider windows are designed for effortless operation, gliding smoothly along their tracks. In Pell City homes, quality slider windows continue to operate reliably over time. Their smooth movement reduces strain on hardware and encourages regular use without the risk of sticking or jamming as years pass. Low maintenance equals long-term savings. Maintenance costs add up over time. Windows that require frequent adjustments, repairs, or refinishing can become expensive. Quality slider windows are designed to minimize maintenance needs. Pell City homeowners appreciate that these windows don't require constant attention to stay functional and attractive. Simple cleaning and routine care are usually all that's needed to keep them in good condition. Reliable performance in everyday living. Slider windows are often installed in high-use areas such as living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Their ability to handle frequent use without losing performance is a major advantage. For Pell City households, quality slider windows provide dependable operation day after day. This reliability adds value by reducing inconvenience and avoiding unexpected repairs. Improved usability of interior spaces. Drafty or uncomfortable window areas can limit how homeowners use their rooms. Quality slider windows help eliminate these problem spots. Pell City homeowners often find that seating, workspaces, and dining areas near slider windows become more comfortable once quality windows are installed. This improved usability enhances the overall enjoyment of the home. Long-term durability protects your investment. Windows are a long-term investment, and durability is key to getting the most value. Quality slider windows are built to maintain alignment and sealing over time. For Pell City homes, this means fewer issues with shifting, leaks, or operational problems. The window continues to perform as intended long after installation. Enhancing home value and appeal. Quality window upgrades contribute to the overall appeal of a home. Slider windows offer a clean, modern look that complements many architectural styles. Pell City homeowners benefit from windows that not only perform well but also maintain their appearance over time. This lasting appeal supports long-term home value. Peace of mind that lasts. Perhaps the greatest long-term value of investing in quality slider windows is peace of mind. Knowing your windows will continue to operate smoothly and support comfort year after year makes a noticeable difference. For homeowners in Pell City, quality slider windows are more than a short-term upgrade, they're a lasting improvement. By combining durability, comfort, and low maintenance, these windows deliver value that continues long after installation, making them a smart investment for the future.